Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Virgo moon sign people. I'm gonna tell you all how your year 2022 would be. At the starting of the year, you would be seeing Ketu, Mars and Moon in your third house. I mean in the Scorpio sign. And in the fourth house, in the Sagittarius sign, you would be seeing Sun and Venus. In your Capricorn sign, I mean in your fifth house, you will be seeing a Saturn Mercury conjunction. And in your sixth house, in the Aquarius sign, Jupiter would be there. And in your ninth house, there will be the planet Rahu. So, this is the planetary position you will be witnessing at the starting of 2022. You know, the important thing to note here is that in the month of April, Saturn and Rahu would be changing its zodiac signs. Rahu will be moving into the Aries sign on the 12th of April 2022, and on the 29th of April, Saturn will be moving into the Aquarius sign. But it wouldn't be there in the Aquarius sign for too long, because on the 12th of July, again, Saturn will be coming back into the Capricorn sign after getting retrograde. Well, seeing the transit of planets, Virgo moon sign, I wanna tell y'all something today. I wanna tell y'all that when y'all enter the year 2022, stay focused. Be dedicated to those things which you have already begun in the previous years. Don't try to change tracks at this particular moment. For example, if you have started a particular business, don't switch to another business at this point in time. If you had decided to study a particular stream, then don't change your plans at this moment. And this thought process can be applied in any area of your life, in any sphere of your life, in any arena of your life. If you had decided to marry your love partner, then make sure you marry that same love partner in the year 2022. Don't look for other options. And let me tell you all, if you stay on track, if you stay focused on what you are doing, and you continue to do that, if you remain dedicated to that goal of yours, to that dream of yours, to that plan of yours, to that idea of yours, then let me assure you all, you will see success. You will see success in your life and in the year 2022. Winners don't do different things. They do things differently. So you can change your approach in accomplishing your things which you wanted to. But don't change your goals. Don't change your dreams at this particular moment, and stay on that track. Be dedicated to that dream of yours, to that goal of yours. Changing tracks in the year 2022 would be detrimental for your career and for you personally as well. And one more thing I want to tell you all, Virgo moon sign people. I want to tell you all that pray as if everything depends upon God, and work as if everything depends upon you. So the course of action which you will take in the year 2022, remain dedicated to it, work hard on it, and have faith in God and pray to God that you become successful in it. Deviating from what you are already doing is not gonna give you any sort of profits in the future. You know, when you stay on course to achieve your dreams and goals in the year 2022, and you work hard and keep the faith of God in you, then nothing can stop you from achieving, from accomplishing that thing which you wanted to. You know, don't get disheartened if you haven't achieved success until now. If you have been disappointed, if you haven't achieved that success which you always wanted to, and you think you haven't given enough energy and effort behind that work, then you need to start doing that. You need to give your time, energy, and effort in the year 2022. You know, if you want to become successful at anything, remember you need to give at least 10 years to that particular field. Your time, effort, and energy for at least 10 years. You have to work on it for at least 10 years, and only then you'll be able to become a master of that. So if you want to become an expert in your field and you haven't worked on those goals and dreams for at least 10 years, then you need to continue doing what you are doing, what you have done before. Don't change the course of action for yourself and continue doing what you are. Well, Virgo moon sign, this is what I wanted to tell you all for the year 2022. Well, now let me start predicting about the Virgo moon sign people for the year 2022. Let me start with people who are doing a job or are finding a job for themselves. Well, for people who are finding a job for themselves, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be a fantastic year for y'all. Y'all are gonna get a job opportunity in the year 2022. It is most likely that you will get that job opportunity after April 2022. If you get that opportunity after April 2022, then just grab that opportunity. Don't dilly-dally in that decision. Even if the salary package the company, the organization is offering you is not enough for you, you think you deserve more than that, still I'd recommend you all to join that company, that organization, because later on I see an increase in your salary package. So as soon as you get an opportunity after April 2022, just join that company, organization. Well, for people who are already doing a job, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be a fantastic year for y'all as well. You are gonna see a lot of progress in your work at this point in time. Your bosses are gonna remain very happy with you at this point in time. And in this year, I mean in the year 2022, I see a substantial promotion for you. You will get a designation 2 notches higher from where you are. A substantial increase in your salary cannot be ruled out. And this would be that year where you will see you will get some other opportunities as well. I mean, you could change your job in the year 2022, which will be for your betterment. Let me tell you all that the work which you will be doing for that company in the year 2022 will form a basis for your future promotions and success in your life. Well, on the health front, let me tell you all that this year is gonna be an okay sort of year for y'all. Neither too good, neither too bad. Some of your past illnesses, some of your past diseases may resurface in your life at this particular moment. But it wouldn't be anything serious. You just need to take your regular medication and exercise in the year 2022. Try to drink lots of water in the year 2022 because the fire element in your life would be active. Hence, you need to consume a lot of water. Well, for people who are having a chronic disease, let me tell you all that you need to be very careful at this point in time. You need to be very careful of what you eat and drink in the year 2022. You need to be determined about your eating and drinking habits, and you will have to follow a health regimen in the year 2022. However, the parts of the body, the organs of the body which you need to take care of at this particular moment is your eyes, is your teeth, is your sexual organs, is your digestive system, your kidneys and your lungs. If you face any sort of problems regarding these parts, these organs of the body, then you need to give special attention to it. Well, for business people, this year is gonna be a fantabulous time for you. You are gonna see a substantial increase in your business than your previous years. You are gonna see that your business would increase manifold in the year 2022. You are gonna make some very serious investments in your business at this point in time. And if you make those investments, you are gonna see profits for yourself in the future. Not only your business is gonna increase in the year 2022, but you are gonna get famous in your business at this point in time. A lot of customers would be coming to you for your product and services at this point in time, and you could get an investor for yourself in the year 2022, which will bolster your business, which will boost your business. Well, the only problem I see for y'all is that you will not be able to control your expenses at this point in time. You will tend to overshoot your budget in regard to the expenditure in your business. Well, for people who are in a romantic relationship, let me tell y'all that this year is gonna be a very good year for y'all. You and your love partner are gonna have a deeper understanding of each other during the year of 2022. You and your love partner are gonna go out of your way to show your love for each other. Y'all are gonna support each other in everything you do at this particular moment. And you are gonna support each other mentally, emotionally, physically, and financially as well. Things will reach to such a point that you will propose to your partner at this point in time. But my suggestion to y'all would be, please do not marry in the year 2022. You can schedule this marriage for some time later. Well, the only problem I see for y'all is that you might face some opposition from your family, your loved ones, your near and dear ones, who will try to discourage you from continuing in this relationship. But my suggestion to y'all would be, don't listen to them and continue with your love partner at this particular moment. I don't see any harm in your life if you continue with your love partner at this particular moment. Well, for students, this year is gonna be a fantabulous year for y'all. Y'all are gonna study very hard during the year 2022. Y'all are gonna get serious about your studies in the year 2022. You are gonna make a conscious, deliberate and a determined effort to study seriously in the year 2022. You are gonna grasp, understand and comprehend all those subjects which you weren't able to. Your focus and concentration on your studies will be at its peak during this year. And if you appear for any sort of exam, any sort of competitive exam, then let me assure you all that you are gonna pass those exams with flying colors. Well, my only suggestion to you all would be, don't overwork yourself at this particular moment. Study, but at a very comfortable pace. Well, for people who are in the stock market, let me tell you all that this year is not gonna be a good year for y'all. Y'all are gonna see a lot of losses in the stock market for yourselves in the year 2022. You are not gonna make any sort of profits in the year 2022. The past investments you had made in the stock market will be showing you losses. But don't panic at this moment and just let those investments remain where they are. I mean, do not sell those stocks which you had purchased earlier in which you are seeing losses. Let it remain with you, because later on I see an increase in the prices of those stocks which can go well above your cost price. Well, if you have been planning to invest in the stock market, my suggestion to y'all would be, don't do it in one go. Do it in several tranches. I mean, you can invest weekly or monthly in your favorite stocks. Well, for people who are gambling in the stock market or anywhere else, my suggestion to y'all would be, please do not gamble in the year 2022, because there is a strong chance of you losing a lot of money at this particular moment. So be careful if you are gambling in the stock market or anywhere else. Well, for people who are in debt, let me tell y'all that this year is gonna be a better year for y'all. Y'all are gonna find some money, some resources to pay your EMIs, your installments on time during the year of 2022. Paying those EMIs and installments wouldn't be difficult for you at this particular moment. And if some of you haven't been able to pay a single EMI, a single installment of that loan which you had taken from your creditors, then my suggestion to you all would be go and speak to your creditors in the year 2022. They might give you a moratorium on that loan. They might just waive that interest on that loan which you had taken from them. This will reduce a lot of financial burden on you in the year 2022 and later on. Well, for those people who want a fresh loan, let me tell you, please apply for that loan after April 2022. Because it is most likely that you will get that loan only after April 2022. And if you take that loan in the year 2022, you will see that you will be able to repay that loan very easily. Well, Virgo moon sign people, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that if you have been facing any sort of problems, any sort of difficulties in your life continuously, and you haven't been able to overcome those problems and difficulties, and if you are wanting to overcome those problems and difficulties in the year 2022, and if you want an all-round protection for yourself in the year 2022, then I want to tell you all about a remedy just now. If you do this remedy which I'm gonna speak about, then you will see that you will overcome all your problems and difficulties, and you will experience a layer of protection for yourself in the year 2022. All you need to do is give 15 rupees each to 8 different poor people. So you have to give 15 rupees each to one person, and you have to give it to 8 different poor people. You have to do this on a Saturday. Additionally, you will have to give 8 bottles of black cola beverage to those 8 different poor people to whom you have given that 15 rupees. Buy a black cola beverage, I mean, it can be a Thumbs Up, a Pepsi or a Coca-Cola. You can buy a PET bottle of these and distribute it among those 8 different poor people. This also has to be done on a Saturday. I mean on that same Saturday in which you are giving that 15 rupees. And lastly, you will have to give one black umbrella or a black blanket to one poor person on that very Saturday. You have to do all these 3 steps on a Saturday, and you have to do this remedy for 8 consecutive Saturdays. You can start doing this remedy on any Saturday of the year 2022. Well, Virgo moon sign people, here is something else for y'all. I want to tell y'all that I make a very special prayer box, a very special amulet for all you Virgo moon sign people. Well, if you have been facing any sort of problems, any sort of difficulties, any sort of predicaments, any sort of ordeals, any sort of sorrows, miseries, worries, any sort of barriers, hurdles and obstacles in your life, and you think you have tried hard enough to overcome all those problems and difficulties without any success, then these remedies are for you. Well, when you install this prayer box in your house or wear this amulet, these remedies are gonna help you to earn more money in your life. It is gonna enhance your luck in your life. It is gonna show you success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then this particular prayer box, this particular amulet will help you to rise up once again in your life, and it will propel you to run towards that thing called success, which we all want. Well, this prayer box, this amulet are religious remedies, are godly remedies, and these remedies can be utilized by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. I'm talking about that God who has created this universe, who has invented this universe and all the things in it, including us. Well, if there were different gods who had created this universe, who had invented this universe, then the color of the human blood would be different in different human beings. But that is not the case. The color of the human blood is red in all the human beings of this planet Earth. Hence, you will understand that there is only one creator, one inventor of this universe, and that is the Almighty God. Well, the name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. That doesn't matter. But basically, we are all worshipping that one God, that same God. Hence, I can confidently tell you all that these remedies can be utilized, used by any person of any religion. Well, this pretty much completes my predictions for Virgo moon sign for the year 2022. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful human life once again. And if you wish to enhance your luck in your life, improve your luck in your life, if you want to boost your luck in your life with my remedies, then these remedies which I am speaking about will help you to earn more money in your life. It is gonna show you success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility, and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great year of 2022. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.